1. Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat is the most famous temple in Siem Reap and is one of the top tourist attractions in Cambodia. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is the largest religious monument in the world. Built in the early 12th century, Angkor Wat was originally a Hindu temple but was later converted into a Buddhist temple. The temple complex is known for its impressive architecture, intricate carvings, and is a symbol of Khmer culture and national pride. 2. Bayon Temple. Bayon Temple is located in the center of Angkor Thom, which was the capital city of the Khmer Empire. Built in the late 12th century, Bayon is known for its iconic faces carved into the stone towers. The temple also features bas-reliefs that depict historical and mythical events from the Khmer culture. 3. Ta Prohm. Ta Prohm is a temple built in the late 12th century and is famous for its intertwined trees and roots that wrap around the temple ruins. It was also featured in the movie Tomb Raider. The temple was left in its natural state as a reminder of the destructive nature of time and nature. 4. Banteay Srei. Banteay Srei is a temple located about 25 kilometers from Siem Reap and is known for its intricate carvings and pink sandstone. The temple was built in the 10th century and is dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva. 5. Preah Khan. Preah Khan is a temple located north of Angkor Thom and was built in the 12th century. The temple was once a center of education and Buddhism and is known for its extensive carvings. 6. Baphuon. Baphuon Temple is a pyramid-shaped temple located in Angkor Thom. The temple was built in the mid-11th century and was dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva. It features ornate carvings and is known for its impressive rooftop terrace. 7. Pre Rup. Pre Rup is a temple built in the late 10th century and is dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva. The temple features tiered pyramids and is known for its impressive views of the surrounding landscape. 8. Phnom Bakheng. Phnom Bakheng is a temple located west of Angkor Thom and is known for its impressive views of the Angkor Wat complex. The temple was built in the late 9th century and features 5 tiers of terraces. Each temple in Siem Reap province has a rich history and unique architecture that makes them stand out. They are a testament to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of the Khmer people and are a must-see destination for anyone interested in history and culture.